What's up guys, welcome back to Fix It Felix. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance overdue light on your Volvo S80 2009. Now it's really simple. Just turn off the car, put the key inside. What you have to do is you have to press the T1, T2 button and then press the button one time till the screen comes on. Wait for like 1 or 2 seconds, then you press and hold the start button until all the lights turn on, while keep holding the T1, T2. Then you're gonna see a flashing square right here. Don't let it flash 4 times, just wait on the third flash and then let go of T1, T2 button. So I'm gonna try to do that. So first I'm gonna press the T1, T2 button, pressing the button one time, then hold and press until all the lights come on. Then just wait for the third flash. So 1, 2, 3. Let go of the button. You can take off the key, put the key back on, press the brake pedal, and turn on the car. And as simple as that, you just reset it the service maintenance. As you can see, you can press the button to read, and you don't have any more messages saying that to reset or to do the maintenance. I still have the eye on because I need some air on my tire, but as you can see, I'm pressing the button and the message is not there anymore. So I looked around all over YouTube and Google, and it's really hard to find this video working. I keep seeing a lot of people complaining that it didn't work, but I mean, I just show you right now how I did it. So if this video helped you, I hope it did. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.